Can these header pipes really alter the sound and feel of my Interceptor 650? Or is it just in my head? Today we'll find out. Alright, first things first, let's get a baseline recording before we start ripping these pipes off. Then we can do a recording afterwards and do an analysis. Uh-oh, this is not very good. Great. Okay, maybe this can be rescued. Maybe we can get this welded up. I have no idea. But we're gonna give it a go. Managed to find a spot literally 2 minutes up the road from me. Niall Murphy, what a legend. He's gonna have a look at it and try and weld it. Next challenge, I don't know if you can see these clearly. These are the header lugs, and the nuts that hold these in place are so rusted and chewed up that it's almost impossible to get these out. Now I managed to get the other side out okay, but I've had to resort to get some of these little nut eaters to buy them off Amazon to get this last sucker out, and even then it's been quite a challenge. So let's see. Oh, you beauty. Absolute beauty. Now, I'm not sure if you can see that, how chewed up that nut is over there. I mean, that's not budging. Look at the state of that. That's brutal. Well, good riddance. Ooh! we're done. Not without its challenges. It's a bit like real-world lesson in Zen and the art of motorcycle maintenance. If you didn't have Zen before, well, this process might just help you find a little bit of it along the way. Let's have a listen to these things. Okay, so on the left channel is the original bass line, and on the right channel is the new big bore. Okay, so where does that leave us? Well, I'm certainly delighted with the sound. You can clearly hear that there's a big uplift in the kind of 80 to 20 hertz. You can feel it in your chest, and you can see it in the graphic there. There is a little bit of a volume increase, not much though. If you look at the average, it's probably about 3 dB. So now I'm really looking forward to taking this out on the road and getting a feel for that. So hopefully that'll be the next video. See you later.